Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable dishwashers, the AooDen and the Hermitlux. Both designed for small spaces like apartments and RVs, these dishwashers promise convenience and efficiency. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into their features and specifications to find out which one is the best fit for you. The AooDen portable dishwasher offers 5 washing programs, including intensive, normal, eco, rapid, and fruit mode. In contrast, the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher boasts 7 washing programs: standard, quick, strong, eco, fruit, self-clean, and glass. This gives the Hermitlux an edge in versatility, allowing users more options for different cleaning needs. While the AooDen features a delay function allowing you to set the wash cycle from 1 to 12 hours, the Hermitlux takes it a step further with a delay start feature of up to 18 hours, a child lock for safety, and an extra drying and stay fresh feature. These additional functionalities make the Hermitlux more appealing for families and those looking for enhanced convenience. Both dishwashers are designed to be compact and functional, perfect for limited kitchen spaces. However, the Hermitlux features a stylish glass door that not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also allows you to monitor the washing process without opening the door. The AooDen, while practical, lacks this visual feature. In conclusion, both the AooDen and Hermitlux portable dishwashers offer great features for small spaces. The AooDen is a solid choice for those who need a straightforward, compact dishwasher, while the Hermitlux provides more versatility with additional washing programs and features. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.